Welcome back. If you have a long audio that you need to edit, one of the things you can do is you can change the speed of the clip and how it plays so that you can listen to it faster as you edit. Assuming that you are editing in real time and you are editing with a playback speed of 100, that means then that the clip, as you edit, is playing at its regular speed. What you can do is you can highlight the entire clip. What you can then do is you can speed up the clip so that it plays faster as you edit. So what you can do here is you can speed up the clip. And when you speed up the clip, you're going to use this play button in order to play the clip at a faster pace than you would at 100%. In order to stop the clip, you'll operate the controls here on the left side, but every time that you want to play at the faster speed, you're going to pick this button in order to play the actual clip. When you're ready to begin listening to the clip again in real time, you can move the clip back to 100%. Now, this does not change the effect of the actual clip or the audio. If you use any of the effect commands and you were to use change speed or change tempo, that's going to change the nature of the clip. However, playing the clip at a faster pace does not change the clip and allows you to listen and edit faster. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.